Y'all better find a plan B.
Flame, nigga. About to get a gang, nigga.
Y'all better find a plan B.
Oh.
Y'all better find a plan B. Y'all better find a plan B.
It's Squad Gang, and we can never be poor. I'm trying to get more money than Johnny and Seymour. These niggas washed up like a fucking seashore. I took over the game with no motherfucking remorse. Do it better than any three before. We going to the top if the roads close detour. When you rap, we bored, we snore. Bitch, you don't suck dick, calling me ignore the whore. I want a bad bitch with a fat Eeyore. Winnie the Pooh, like Biggie, give me the loot. No, give me the suit, or give me the coupe. Don't wanna fuck every girl in the world, they wanna give me the cooch. No Paul Pierce, but Flame is the truth. WAP get a gang, we tryna ball like Maloof. Real niggas feel my pain like a fucking masseuse. My team fed up, and we ain't accepting no truce. Got the game on smash with a padlock and a noose. And a few bad bitches that wanna kick it like Bruce. So YG, how I tooted and boo, cause bitches be blowing dicks like they was some flutes. Ain't never trust no bitch since Eve ate that fruit. I'm a beast, no I'm a dog. Something like Snoop, they say I'm in too deep like bucket seats in a coupe. My car like a dog with no bark, how it came with no roof. That's just something that I do for the haters. I done served more niggas than a soul food waiter. I want a lot of acres so I ain't gotta see my neighbors. Smoke a lot of weed, so many different flavors. Niggas trying to learn my style like it wasn't major, so I teach them like I'm a professor. My bars hit niggas like a punch from Sylvester, making more niggas tap out than Brock Lesnar. With this rap shit I'm winning clearly. I see no competition, call me Blind Fury. I've been kicking shit, call me Adam Vinatieri. I body so many rappers, I need a cemetery. You could call me Young Flame or Mr. Legendary. Bitch, bitch, get money in this bitch. Getting money in this bitch. Money, make the world go round. Make the world go round. Make your girl go down,